Hi guys and hello everyone, this is Chayan here from quickpreview.in, and in this video I wanna show you an amazing site builder that is Mega Sites. Mega Sites is an app that with that you can build any kind of sites and premiumness of sites will be amazing. Okay, let me show you the tool from inside. This is the members place of this tool, and inside this tool you can create site by clicking on create new site, and within just 30 seconds you can expect your site will be ready. So these are the templates of the site. Inside front end you will be given these templates. You are looking on the screen now. So these templates will be given to you instantly once you have just spent your $17, and you will be given these templates. And there are templates from every fields. You can see here the shoe template, the nature template, the detox template, and also obviously the gym template, the yoga template, and everything. Almost they have tried to cover all of the templates. And the next thing is your all sites will be appearing when you have started using it and you have built some sites. Okay, you will have built some sites, then your sites will be appearing here. You can click on add new to add new site, and you can click on add new to edit your site. Basically also you can click on the template to view template and select the template and use the drag and drop building feature, and instantly you can edit whatever you want to, whatever you want to personalize, whatever you want to customize, you can do so. Okay, so these are the appearing stuffs, like the responsiveness inside tablet, inside mobile, and inside desktop. And you can use this template. Once you have clicked on that, then you can start editing that, like select that and create, after going through the create new, or you can also clicking on the use this template and use the site address, like the subdomain. You can choose your subdomain, any of the subdomains you can use here. You can use here Google, you can use here your name, you can use here yoga, gym, everything. Okay, the site title, and use the template. And inside walkthrough videos, the tutorials are given, and nothing much. And edit site pages and consultant kit, and everything is pretty usual and similar, simple stuffs. I don't want to waste your time. That was the tool. And apart from that, this is the sales page. If you got the tool from this page, you can click on the video description link. The topmost link will send to you this page, and from this page you can click on the buttons. You will be sent to the sales page, and this is the sales page. So from the sales page, get the tool, and after you have just got the tool, you will be given my bonuses. So my bonuses are, let me show you. Inside the front end you will be given 29 bonuses. I have mentioned here, you can check out here. 29 bonuses will be given to you inside $17. From my side, as I am working on this field for so many days, I have been collecting so many much more bonuses and good bonuses, and I have also tried to give you the bonuses from every field. And I can expect, I am expecting that no other affiliates are giving this kind of bonuses. So apart from that, if you go through front end, then you can purchase the upsells. If you purchase any of them, you will be given the mega bonus that comes with 400 plus stuffs. Okay, so these bonuses are front end bonuses. And the next thing is the vendor bonus. I have mentioned here inside between two bonuses, I have mentioned here vendor bonus. Don't shock, let me show you. So these are the vendor bonuses. There are some bonuses that comes by default with this product from the vendor. As you are purchasing their product, they are very grateful to you. They are giving you these bonuses and also these bonuses. So both bonuses will be given to you inside the front end. Only the front end you are getting this kind of bonuses, and also my bonuses. I have tried to do my best, and inside upsell you will be given 400 plus stuffs. So that's all from my side for this tool, and have a good day. Don't wanna take your time much, because time is more valuable than money, and I really believe that. So have a good day. Thank you. I am Chayan. I am here. You can see my image. So bye bye.